Learn how to effortlessly integrate a live AI chatbot directly into your card website. This demonstration will show you step by step how to ask it questions in real time and see its instant responses, all without any pre-written scripts. Many website visitors need answers now, and an AI chatbot provides that crucial real-time support. Let's see what happens when we ask this AI chatbot real questions live. The chat interface itself, that little bubble, is the key to this integration. You're probably wondering if this is even possible. Let's see what the AI says about adding intelligence to your card site. Here's how it responds. You absolutely can. Simply add a JavaScript snippet to your card site. Find your unique code and detailed instructions on your Asyntai dashboard. Setup is straightforward and works on any platform. Now that we know it's a yes, the big question becomes, how exactly do you bring an AI chatbot into your card build? See what it has to say. Integrating your AI is simple. You'll grab a quick JavaScript snippet from your Asyntai dashboard. Then, paste that code into your card site's custom code settings. Publish your site, and your AI chatbot will be live and ready to engage visitors. With so many AI options out there, it's crucial to know which ones are actually compatible. The AI will guide us. Let's see the answer now. Great news! Asynti's AI chatbot integrates seamlessly with Card. Setup is straightforward using the provided JavaScript snippet. Simply copy the code from your Asyntai dashboard and paste it into your Card site. You'll be up and running in just minutes. As we scroll through the site, notice how the chat remains accessible for interaction. We've heard general compatibility, but let's get specific. Does Asyntai, a popular choice, play nicely with Card? Here's the AI's reply. Great news! It's a simple integration. You'll find the JavaScript snippet in your Asyntai dashboard. Just copy and paste it onto your Card site. Setup takes just a few minutes. Once you've chosen your solution, you'll want to know how much time you're committing. Let's ask about the setup duration. The chatbot gives its answer. Setup takes about 5 minutes. You sign up, add your business details, and paste a simple code snippet. It's designed to be quick and easy, getting your AI chatbot live in no time. Ready to start building your instant customer support? It's important to know that every answer you've seen so far comes directly from your site content. Beyond just being present, you'll want your AI to be useful. Can it handle the common questions your visitors have? See what the AI produced. Absolutely. Asyntai learns directly from your card site content or uploaded documents. Simply embed the JavaScript snippet, and your AI assistant will be ready to answer FAQs. Setup is quick and easy, allowing visitors to get answers instantly. Finally, before you dive in, it's always smart to test the waters. Let's find out if a free trial is available. Here's how it responds. Absolutely. You can get started with our free plan. It includes 100 messages monthly, access for one website, and a generous knowledge base capacity. Setup is quick and easy, allowing you to experience Asyntai's benefits right away. As you can see, adding AI assistance is simple. You can try this yourself for free at asyntai.com, and no credit card is needed to get started.